I drink coffee in the morning. I read a book every day. It's raining today. I go to work. I buy food at the store. I watch a movie. I cook at home. I listen to music. I talk with my friend. I go for a walk. I sleep well at night. I write a letter. I live in Stockholm. I'm learning Swedish. I tidy up my room. I take the bus to school. I swim in the lake. I ride my bike to the park. I play the guitar. I make soup for dinner. I drink water when I'm thirsty. I have breakfast in the kitchen. I wash my hands before eating. I buy fruit at the market. I wait for my friend. I open the window. I close the door. I sit on the chair. I stand by the window. I work at the office. I call my mother. I help my brother. I fix the car. I paint the wall blue. I draw a flower. I go to bed early. I wake up at 10. I go to the store. I meet my friends. I laugh at a joke. I cry with joy. I love my family. I hate the cold. I hope for sunshine.